Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Eero blinking blue light. First, start by power cycling your devices. Unplug both your modem and your Eero device from the power source. Leave them unplugged for about 30 to 60 seconds. This short pause helps clear temporary issues. After that, plug your modem back in first. Wait until all the lights on the modem become stable and normal. This may take a few minutes. Once the modem is fully ready, plug your Eero device back in and allow it to boot up. Next, check your cables. Look at the Ethernet cable that connects your modem to your Eero. Make sure it is firmly plugged in on both ends. If the cable feels loose or damaged, try using another cable if possible. A poor connection can often cause the blinking blue light issue. Now, open the Eero app on your phone. If your device was reset by mistake, you may need to add it again. Follow the steps in the app to set up the Eero device. Make sure you are logged into the correct account. You should also check your internet service. Sometimes the issue is not with the Eero device. Contact your internet provider or check the Eero app to see if there is an outage in your area. If the problem still continues, perform a factory reset. Press and hold the reset button on your Eero device for at least 15 seconds. Wait until the light starts flashing red. This means the reset is complete. Then set up the device again using the app. Thanks for watching.